don't get me wrong ne nyazi badliwe mari nyanicela baqualifyile which is the first time under 17 qualify for ama knockout stages ever in South Africa. So nyanicela bengicela mababuya mara ngisho bayobuya ngecup because saya phambili labafana bayashisa, so clearly shows i future e South Africa good hands, it's bright. Yashisa bengicela sibathengele amashwamshwam okhona ukuthenga ama stock sweets, athenga ama stock sweets, okhona ukuthenga amadonona athenga amadonona. Hayibo sibapha amadonona labafana laba ngeke angali baya kuma group stages, but I'm already proud sibala angifuna ukukhuluma mango labafana ungathi ngavele ngikhipha amanye ama player la ku Betway Premiership ngifake bona labafana banoshukela lazima wathi shukela labafana banoshukela sibala, and I don't care whichever stage they reach ne I'm proud sibala, I'm proudly South African, I'm a proud South African, banyenze proud sibala. So nyanicela bengicela sicale nama donation amadanoni italk sweet amashwamshwam please nikeni labafana cause wow they're amazing sibala. South African football it's in good hands sibala.